Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pioneer English Group. Today we discuss about the sentences connector used as linkers, which are really important for IELTS writing as well as speaking. As means because. As I am ill, I cannot go to school today. As, when one work is in action and the other starts. For example, she danced as she sang. She sang as she cooked the food. The next as use as a while. I saw him as he was going to movie. As in manner. Mohan acted as he was directed. As with comparison. Ram is as intelligent as Shyam. As before the first work ended, the other starts. As I reached the station, the train came.